doing the following.
Ano mo lang
Exhibiting
yung...
unruly and
Ano nakasigat? Ba yan?
Dapat dun lang.
Cheer nyo naman si Kuya Pao! Wow, grabe. Multi-talented, pogi na, dancer pa, singer pa, wow! Ayun, so panoorin nyo yan! And
Kapalit na yan.
Let's make the sky to make it bright. Now here we go. Live a lifeline as we take our flight. Let's make the sky into real light. We could be. Wanna make it
Sa lahat po ng nandito sa Philippine Arena, sa lahat ng team bahay, nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo. Always remember na kasama nyo kami. We are here with you. We are here because of you.
Yes, thank you so much. Of course, party kayo kung ano man ang success na tatanggap ng Bini ngayon. And wala kami dito kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So thank you so much.
Yes, and of
Ubar sa sarap! Ubar sa sarap! Spongy! Never kami masasawa dito. And iba-iba
yung mga kanta natin, hindi nila alam kung sino tayo.
Alam nila, hindi coconut na.
Pero ngayon, di ba, lahat to blooms. Napuno natin ng Philippine Arena.
Grabe.
Yes. Okay, at dahil dyan, meron kasi akong nasabi sa interview before na merong inedit si Miss MQ, Maliari, our manager, na ever since, ito yung wallpaper niya, inedit niya yung group photo natin. Until now, inedit niya yung group photo natin, tapos kumuha lang siya ng random picture ng audience sa likod. Pwede po bang i-flash yun, direct? Thank you! Yan!
Grabe ang realistic!
Ang realistic!
Meron pa mga stuff toys sa gilid, oh. Sobrang cute naman ni Mick.
Natin siya!
She's crying.
For real.
Dapat ganyan look din.
Dito tayo nakarap. So wait lang.
Huwag mo siya i-mirror.
Mirror ba?
Hindi.
Sobrang ano naman nung
Here, bebe, you're there. And then, Ate Jo. Pati yung pose at pose. Pati yung pose. Oo nga, dapat pati yung pose. Guys, pati yung smile. Pati yung pose, smile, everything. Wait. Guys, yung lights na guys. Come on. Pati yung ulo ha, dapat tama. Ulo, katawan, daliri.
Boss, pwede palitan ng nakakaiyak na kanta po para mas feel. Sorry.
Hi guys! Girls, congratulations! May sino yung Ako yun, hello guys! Congratulations, Beanie! Palakpakan naman natin ang Beanie! Publisher Miss Ann Berniska and Chief of Editorial Content Brett Jackson to share the good news with you girls. Hi Miss Ann! Hi Brett!
Hello, girls. It's great to see you again.
Hello po. Good evening po! Wow! May pagaling
Congratulations
God.
sa inyong lahat and all of the blooms. Sold out ang Philippine Arena. And tonight, we have something special to present to all of you. So on behalf of Billboard Philippines, we would like to present this certificate to you girls in recognition for being the Philippines' #1 top artist of 2024. Beanie is Billboard Philippines' #1 artist for the Hot 100 and the Philippines Top Songs charts. And not only that, we would also like to congratulate you again, not only for dominating our charts, the Billboard Philippines charts, but also for being the representative of the first ever Billboard Global #1 series. So you represented Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations.
What's so truly important about this is that the Global #1 campaign featured artists, the #1 artists from around the world.
Dreams, facing struggles. They worked hard while waiting for that big break. They started performing on small stages. It took years of introducing themselves, always waiting for that right moment. And when it came, it was more than they ever imagined. It was that long-awaited breakthrough. Everything fell into place as they released Tanawan. From just a few blooms at first, they celebrated their 3rd anniversary with Beanie Day and launched the first ever Beanie Run, bringing thousands together. Not long after, Beanie got the chance to perform on bigger stages, with their first solo concert across the country and overseas. In November, they closed out the year with a 3-day sold-out concert at the Big Dome, stepping into an even bigger stage. And as the fruit of their hard work, they've earned well-deserved awards. They were recognized with the Rising Star Award at the Billboard Philippines Women in Music. Took home the Song of the Year for Pantropico at the Mixed Music Awards.
On behalf of BD, nagpapasalamat po kami. We are truly honored and humbled po to receive this Song of the Year, Pantropico.
And awarded as the favorite group artist, favorite song of the year for Pantropico, and favorite music video for Carrera at the Awit Awards.
So everyone who voted to our group, sa lahat po sa support sa amin, maraming salamat po.
At the P-Pop Music Awards, they were named Artist of the Year and won Song of the Year and Album of the Year for Talarawan. Beanie is also the Wish Group of the Year, Wish Pop Song of the Year for Pantropico, and the Wish Exclusive Pop Performance of the Year for Carrera at the 10 Wish Music Awards.
Thank you so much for the love and support. Please don't be Kumitas. Never ending support for them.
From local awards, they grew bigger, reaching international success. They are the International Breakthrough Artist of Brazil's Breakthrough Awards.
Obrigado, Breakthrough Awards. Obrigado, Brazil.
They entered the Top Artist Global Chart on Spotify and became the first Filipino act to top the Spotify Philippines Daily Top Artist Chart. And just last month, they got the P-Pop Stars of the Year, Gold Champion at the 2024 TAG Victorious Awards Chicago. But the cherry on top of all their achievements was making history as the first Filipino group to win the MTV Europe Music Award for Best Asia Act. From small to big, from nothing to something, from less to more. 2024 was definitely a success for Beanie. It's all because of you, Blooms. And this 2025, there's more to watch out for our favorite walo, our nation's girl group.